pod fruit on a tree. There's another one, goes with it. Apparently this just says, fish me, fish me. Hey, welcome to Mike's Wild World. Doing a little flashback today. I got this old camera with me. It's a waterproof camera. I've gone through several editions of these different things. This is the only one that still seems to want to work. And this is something I bought back in 2011, I think, or 2010. And it's been on quite a few trips. The very first video I ever posted we shot on this. Several really long videos I've shot were on this. But you know, some of my cameras have just failed, so I'm kind of going to this. So there we are, right there. Okay, so there it is. See it? All right. Okay, here's that restored carbon steel frying pan. We'll put something in that today. I haven't cooked out on the trail on it yet. This will be the first time. Well, that worked out really well, didn't it? One of these fancy Dan, you know, windscreens here. I'll be honest, I haven't used this hardly any, maybe one time. So why don't we let me clean this off. I'm gonna put a fire right there. It's just right outside my ability to reach almost. I know why I don't use this very much. I don't like it. I'll just sit there right on the ground. Put a little alcohol in there. Ooh, good, I got to wipe my hands. How do we light the thing? I have my emergency lighter. My itty bitty one. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. And I just need my pan. What I want to cook first. Uh-oh. Maybe I don't have what I thought I had. I don't. Okay, I got a little can of baked beans here. And I brought some of these bourbon Wiener sausages. I thought I had mushrooms in here. Because I packed this bag, you know, weeks ago for another trip. And kind of went there and, oh well. Didn't eat any of it. So let's just go at this. I do like these little bourbon things. The original plan was to actually slice those. Who cares about original plans, right? And if you go in the woods, take a trash bag. Not far from where I'm at, there is a primitive campsite for camping in the park. And I happened by it. Something looked odd, so I went up and kind of checked it out. And what they had done is had left just a horrific mess, whoever was there, and about 15 or 20 foot of high tensile strength nylon webbing. It's stuff that I really know about. It's got a huge tensile strength on it. It's like, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Let me see if I can see it. I'm using some today to get hold of the hammock up with. Matter of fact, the same piece that I found in the woods. I mean, it's brand new. It's expensive, I know, because I've tried to buy it before, and I have, so it's not really cheap. But it's like 1,400 pound tensile strength and a ½ inch wide. And people just leave their stuff behind. They act like there's supposed to be maid service in the woods or something. I don't get it. I really, really don't get it. So we're warming up these beanie weenies. Not beanie weenies, I'm sorry. These bourbon flavored Vienna sausages. And a really nice can of, there's a little bit of fat up on top, some baked beans. Get out my my plate, my stainless steel pan. In one of my other videos I call this an Optimus, you know, which is an old Radio Shack brand, but it's a Primus. After I said that, when I was editing, I went, an Optimus? My God, how old are you, dude? There you go. Boom. Bush's baked beans, bourbon flavored Vienna sausage. And no, there's no Spam in it for Spam Timber. See, I think this is a really good meal right here. Let me start with the pork first. Oh yeah. That was the whole water. That was all of it. Set that over there. Attaboy. Goober. Stir it up. That's plenty hot for a warm day. Yeah. The great thing about the insulated cup is I can set it down. I was debating that in my mind, but it's not hot on the bottom with hot water in it. So that works out just fine. The big camera, that's what I call it. It's bigger. I just said, change the battery pack. In a minute, I'm busy. I'm eating. I'm curious what I look like here on this old 10-year-old camera. If you want to see the camera in action, it's the first video we did with Great Smoky Mountains, Mike and Wayne. In the snow in January, a long time ago. This is what I'm looking at. The rain never quite came. It's still all around me, just not on me yet. I got a 3-4 mile hike to get back. Here we go. You've seen plenty of shots where people set the camera and they walk by it. I've done it. Everybody does it because, you know, few of us have camera people in the woods. There's no way I'm running up this hill to set the camera and catch me coming back up it. I did it a few weeks ago in that tarp video where it was wild and wet and wild or something. Nope, not today. Boys pooped. Somebody else decided to do their own thing in the woods, I guess, and left a stinking mess. This used to be a really pretty hilltop. And for some reason, there's a path through there, like they took a lawnmower down through there. I don't get it. I think some places just need to be left alone. But then I think that about some people, they just need to be left alone too. And some people are just plain delusional. Spiderweb. If you're one of us bushcrafters, I'm pretty sure that ain't one of you guys, because they don't do that. You gotta have a little bit of smart to get out here and do this kind of stuff without getting your butt lost or whacking your finger off or eating something that's gonna kill you. Oh, spiderweb right there, see? Boop, got him. All right, so where do we cross this ravine here? There's always one landmark I can find. It's that big old gaping mouth in the woods. All right, we go down and up. See you on the other side. I think total here we're looking at about 10 miles today, up and down these hills through the woods. And, it's very humid. So until next time, this is Mike with Mike's Wild World. I'll see you next time.